I'm Said and welcome back to my channel Said Tech. In today's I'll try to do the speed test comparison between the iQOO 3 versus the iQOO 7 device. So let's see friends which phone will be the clear winner. So this is a most waiting video in my channel because a lot of users they really want to know how well this iQOO 3 with the Snapdragon 865 processor will be able to perform with this big monster which is the iQOO 7 with the Snapdragon 870. So let's see friends whether the small monster gonna perform slightly close to the iQOO 7 or not. That is what I'm going to expect in this video. Let's see. But these are the 15 applications, I think 20 applications I did select and 5 games I did select, as you can see here. So 5 games are pretty normal small games, so I did not use any kind of complicated games during this time of testing, but 20 applications I did include. So in this video I'll try to test which phone has got the better kind of RAM management system and faster app opening time as well. That is what I'm going to check in this video. Let me try to first show you exactly what kind of variant I have ordered. So this is a 8GB RAM variant and 128GB storage, and it is a 8 plus 3GB RAM variant friends, which is iQOO 3 which has got extended RAM capabilities. That is advantage for the iQOO 7 device. And I did not fill the storage very much as well. It's only 94% filled for the storage right now, in case if you want to know how much storage got filled. So first test, let's see which phone will be able to reboot faster. Every time when I'm trying to do the speed test, I'm always forgetting this kind of option, which is a restart. So let's try the restart first. Let's see which phone will be able to restart faster. So I did click at both phones at the same time. There's a 4G variant, there's a 5G variant. That's the reason you're seeing this kind of 5G. So right now the iQOO 3 did turn on the screen faster than the iQOO 7 device, and even it did turn on faster than the iQOO 7 device. Let's see which phone will be able to show us first. Let's see friends how this small brother gonna perform its capabilities with the big brother, which is a iQOO 7 device. So because ANTUTU benchmarks and the CPU throttling are really amazing in this small brother, which is really great in this I think iQOO 7. Wow. The big brother unlocked first. Let me try to unlock the screen, and yes, so that's really good. The iQOO 7 did win the race in terms of the reboot test. So now let me try to quickly disable this live wallpaper, because I do know during the speed test I should not use this kind of live wallpapers, but in case if you want to download, so don't wait friends, you can check the links in description for the playlist. Each and every topic I have created separate playlist even for the processors and all the details. Try to check the playlist and that will give you the clear information. Now let me try to change the wallpaper and I'll be back. So right now, as you can see friends, I did connect to the same Wi-Fi network at same time. Let me show you the clear details about the Wi-Fi connection in both phones, so you'll be able to know exactly. As you can see, let me try to show you. As you can see friends, both phones are connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network, 2.4 GHz. So let me try to change the 2.4 to 5 GHz. Let's see. So whether I'll be able to get the 5 GHz or not. I should be able to get the 5 GHz. Yes. So I'm connecting to the 5 GHz network in both phones right now. I think as you can see friends, both phones are connected to the 5 GHz network right now. Let me clear all the background. So there is no more background applications running. So everything from cleared when the background notifications and all those details completely clear, as you can see friends. So now let's see which phone will be able to perform the best. And during this time I'm not using any kind of monster mode. There's another monster mode. In case if you want me to use that monster mode, so make sure to comment below. Definitely I can do that kind of video for you all. So let's get started friends with the first application is the clock application, which I'm going to do. Let me try to slightly zoom into the closer to the phone so you'll be able to see it properly, and slightly let me try to change the angle as well. So this should be kind of really good for the top view. So let me just start. So both phones did open at the same time. Let me try to keep some alarm. I'm trying to keep the alarm. I'm trying to keep in the background memory. Let's see the DRM info. Both phones are slightly close to each other, and music player, the first in the Snapdragon 870 chipset, and the YouTube music first Snapdragon 865, which is the iQOO 3, and touchscreen. Let me try to write something. So I need to disable that kind of ultra gaming mode friends. I did disable that ultra gaming mode because it should not disturb any kind of process. As you can see, the ultra gaming mode is disturbed complete removed, so this application doesn't have any kind of ultra game mode right now. So let's see, next is the Google Chrome, first in the iQOO 7 device, next WhatsApp. Both are kind of close to each other. So in the WhatsApp I forgot, let me try to type something. I'll try to keep some number in the background. And Instagram, slightly faster in the Snapdragon 870 chipset, that's not bad, and I'm keeping in the background as a memory. And Flipkart, I think both phones are slightly faster, not bad. And let's go to the next application, which is Amazon. Slightly faster got rolled in this iQOO 7 device. Let me try to keep this my favorite, which is a mobile. So let's see. And next is YouTube. Slightly faster in this phone, in this iQOO 3 device, slightly, little bit faster in the iQOO 3. I did notice. And next is a speed test. Speed test also I think slightly faster in this, as you can see friends, in the iQOO 7 device, it did recognize first in the iQOO 7. And let's see in the speed test which phone will be able to get us the high speeds. That is what I'm going to check right now. And both phones are getting same kind of partnership in the Wi-Fi. So in the beginning, but later on the big brother took over the small brother. So as you can see here, so that's kind of good. It finished. And the upload speeds, this phone is not giving anything to the iQOO 7, but now it will take. So let's see friends, this is in the background. The first test has been finished in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see whether the next application, let's move to the next, is a Play Store. I'll try to keep some game in the background. And next, camera. Both phones are slightly faster, no problem. And next is Facebook. Not bad. And Prime Videos. Not bad. Ghana. I think slightly faster maybe in the iQOO 3. Slightly faster, that's not bad. And the Myntra. And both are kind of same. So next is the Paytm. Let's see friends, Paytm, I think both phones are clearly close to each other. Next is the Zoom application. Zoom also no problem. Now the real game starts. So 5 games, as you can see friends, I did load right now. Let's see Subway Surf, which phone will be able to open faster. So both are having the game turbo modes built in. And I think iQOO 7, the big brother Snapdragon 870 did open the game faster. That's perfect. Candy Crush. So both phones are slightly close to each other. And next I'll try to do the speed test only the games. So there I'll try to include 10 games. So make sure to stay tuned for those videos friends. That will be really epic kind of videos. And in this kind of testings, as you can see, the first in the iQOO 3 device with the Snapdragon 865 did open this game first. So next is the Temple Run. Let's see friends which phone will be able to open the Temple Run faster. I think both phones are slightly, I think the iQOO 3, that's perfect. As you can see friends, the iQOO 3 did open Snapdragon 865. That's wonderful, as you can see friends. So that's really good, not bad. So next is a Minecraft trial. Let's see this game which phone will be able to open faster. And the results are, I think, the iQOO 7. As you can see, iQOO 7 did open the game faster. So now it's time to test the RAM management. So which phone has got better kind of RAM management, now we will be able to get to know. And all the 20, I think right now, as you can see friends, all the games and apps are completely open in the background. You can clearly see by yourself, you can see everything, all the apps exactly at same position only, as you can see friends. So now let's see which phone has got better kind of RAM management by opening apps and games, this many. So that's what I'm going to see from the beginning. Clock. So both are kind of close to each other, same, nothing much. Music player kind of same. YouTube same, it did not get reloaded. As you can see, the YouTube touch same, so same kind of input is there. You may not be able to see on this one because I'm recognizing small touch on this phone. Same page, it's there. Next is a Google Chrome. Both are kind of same, perfect. WhatsApp same, Instagram same, Flipkart, sorry, same phones, as you can see exactly. Amazon Prime mobiles and YouTube same. Speed test not same. As you can see friends, the speed test did not get reloaded in the big brother. You can see exact results as it is in this phone, in the iQOO 7 device. That's wonderful. That is the reason every time I open the speed test, I'll try to do the test. So in this way you'll get to know small things. So that's one bonus point for the big brother. And camera also, both are same. And Facebook, the interesting part will be the games. So that's perfect. Ghana, no issues. Myntra also no problem. Paytm, no. Zoom, no problem. Now let's see the games. Sorry, I did not open fast, sorry friends. But iQOO 7, as you can see friends, the iQOO 7 did not load at all. It opened directly the game. That's perfect. As you can see, the RAM management is really very good. So I think tomorrow I'll be planning to do the 50 apps opening in this iQOO 7 device. So make sure to stay tuned for this video friends. Definitely I'll do that for you all. 50 apps RAM management. And Candy Crush also did not get reloaded. And the Getaway 2, that's perfect. It did not get reloaded in this both phones. And next is a Temple Run. Sorry, Temple Run also not got reloaded in both phones. And Minecraft, I think both phones got reloaded. That's fair enough, no problem. So overall friends, the iQOO 3 did not get a success in this kind of speed test. And then the Subway Surf. In these two applications, the iQOO 3 mobile was unable to keep them in the background memory. That is the one thing which I thought of mentioning. And where the iQOO 7 device did everything, did keep in the background memory. So this is a complete conclusion, friends, comparison between both phones. And thank you for watching this video. And in terms of the speed test, sometimes the iQOO 3 is a winner in terms of opening the applications, and sometimes the iQOO 7 is opening the winner. So next video I'll try to do the only games. I'll try to select 10 games. So big games and small games, and then I'll try to compare side by side. So then we'll be able to get to know how is the speed test. So make sure to stay tuned for those video, friends. And thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to check the links in description. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.